Is it worth anything? Today, we're talking about Hummel figurines, and of course also Hummel plates. So, Hummel figurines are porcelain. They were made in Germany starting in 1935 by a company called Goebel, and I'm sure somebody's going to tell me I'm mispronouncing that. So originally when they were first made, they were sold for like $2 to $10 a piece. They gained popularity in the States after World War II because a lot of soldiers who were stationed in Germany were buying them and sending them home as gifts and souvenirs. They were most popular in the States probably in the 70s. At that time, there were a whole bunch of clubs of people who were collecting them. There were collector clubs. Now, I did find one that's still ongoing on Facebook. But Hummels, just nobody's collecting them anymore. If you will find them on eBay, but I was looking at a page of ones that were listed for sale, and they were going off within like an hour, and only 2 of them had bids. One was for $10 and one was for $20. When I walk into a client's house and they've got a curio cabinet full of Hummels, I just like, oh no. The amount of money people spend on these is unreal. When they were most popular, I think they were going up around $100 a piece for just a small figurine. So when I have to get rid of them, I have a consignment shop near me that sells furniture and household goods. If they don't have a whole lot of them at any given time, they'll take whatever I have, but they sell them for $8 or $10 a piece, and that's about what you'll find in an antique shop if they're there. So do they have any value? No. Nobody wants this stuff anymore. Nobody wants to dust it. Nobody wants to collect it. It's just not that popular. They stopped being made in 2008. There was another company that acquired the brand. So I think there are still some things being made under that name of Hummels, but the original one stopped being produced in 2008. So if you have them and you enjoy them, great. But if you bought them for an investment, yeah, sorry, they're not worth anything. If you would like to learn more about what items in your home might fall into the category of antiques and collectibles and possibly be worth money, check out my book, Beginner's Guide to Antiques and Collectibles. It's available on Amazon.com for $24.95.